Hello guys and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So because many of you guys asked for a feature to allow the Aimogen plugin to be set up in a more user-friendly and simple way, especially because in the recent year Aimogen grew a lot and it has tons of features which might be a bit hard to understand, especially for new users. Because of this, I made a new update for Aimogen which is available right now, which will allow new users which install the plugin to go directly into a quick setup. So if a new user installs the plugin and activates it, it will be he will be or she will be granted by this quick setup and tutorial screen, which will give a basic understanding of how to set up and will also help the user to set the plugin up. So it will allow the user to activate its license. It will allow the user to add basic API keys to the plugin settings. So these API keys will be able to be added by the user directly from the screen. And after he saves, the new user is taken to some tutorials about the content creation, and here they will be able to go into single AI post creator menu, bulk AI post creator menu, see tutorial videos and many more. And after they are done, they can skip or continue this step and they can go ahead and check the content editor, the chatbot details, and also give some example make a test drive for the chatbot. As you can see, the chatbot is working directly here, and also a tutorial video for the chatbot is available. The AI forms menu, the playground is explained, and all other features of the plugin. So many other features of the plugin are also explained here. And when the user is done, he can or she can go ahead and go to the plugin's dashboard and start using the plugin from as new, because they should get a basic grasp about how to set up Aimogen and how to use it. So if you have more ideas or suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. I really appreciate your help during the development of this plugin, giving ideas and suggestions, and I always enjoy reading your comments. So this is all for today. I hope you like, share, subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.